Are you struggling with stubborn belly fat that just won't budge, no matter what you try? Imagine if you could tap into the power of nature to help melt away that fat, starting today. In this video, we're revealing 3 natural mixtures that promise to transform your weight loss journey. These aren't just any mixtures, they are carefully crafted combinations of ingredients known for their fat-burning properties. By the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge to start using these mixtures immediately, giving you the edge you need to achieve a flatter belly. Curious about how simple kitchen ingredients can make such a difference? These mixtures are not only easy to prepare but also integrate seamlessly into your daily routine. We're talking about ingredients that boost metabolism, enhance digestion, and help your body burn fat more efficiently. Whether you're looking to jumpstart your weight loss or break through a plateau, these natural solutions offer a clear path forward. Imagine sipping on a refreshing drink that not only tastes great but also supports your body's natural ability to shed excess fat. Stay with us, and you'll discover how to harness these powerful mixtures to support your health goals, starting right now. Don't miss out on the opportunity to learn about these effective, natural solutions that can be the game changer in your fitness journey. With just a few simple steps, you can incorporate these mixtures into your life and start seeing results. So, if you're ready to take control and make a real change, keep watching and unlock the secrets to a healthier, leaner you. In today's fast-paced world, many of us are constantly searching for effective ways to manage our weight, particularly when it comes to stubborn belly fat. It's a common issue that affects people of all ages and backgrounds, often leading to frustration and a sense of helplessness. The good news is that nature offers us powerful tools to address this challenge. By focusing on 3 specific natural mixtures, you can harness the benefits of ingredients that have been celebrated for their health-boosting properties for centuries. These mixtures are not just about quick fixes, they represent a holistic approach to wellness that aligns with the body's natural processes. Let's delve into the relevance of these mixtures for anyone looking to improve their health and fitness. In a world where processed foods and sedentary lifestyles are prevalent, many people find themselves struggling with weight gain and its associated health risks. The key to these natural mixtures lies in their ability to enhance metabolism, support digestion, and promote fat burning, all while being gentle on the body. They offer a sustainable and accessible solution, making them ideal for those who are tired of restrictive diets and extreme workout regimens that are difficult to maintain over time. One common mistake people make when trying to lose belly fat is relying solely on exercise or drastic diet changes without considering the role of natural supplements. Many overlook the potential of simple, natural ingredients that can significantly boost their efforts. These mixtures provide an opportunity to correct that oversight by incorporating nature's best offerings into your daily routine. By understanding and utilizing these natural solutions, you can avoid the pitfalls of fad diets and instead embrace a more balanced and effective approach to weight management. As we prepare to explore these mixtures in detail, it's important to recognize that they are part of a broader lifestyle change. They are not standalone solutions but rather complements to a healthy diet and regular physical activity. By integrating these mixtures into your life, you are taking a proactive step towards achieving your health goals. Stay tuned as we guide you through each mixture, explaining how they work and how you can easily incorporate them into your daily routine to start seeing real results. If you're finding value in these natural mixtures and want to continue your journey towards a healthier lifestyle, subscribe to our channel. Your feedback is crucial, so leave a comment with your thoughts. Stay engaged, as your participation helps us bring more relevant content. Keep watching for more insights. Understanding the core concepts behind the 3 natural mixtures for melting belly fat is essential for anyone looking to incorporate them into their wellness routine. At the heart of these mixtures are natural ingredients known for their fat-burning properties, such as green tea, ginger, and lemon. Green tea is rich in antioxidants like catechins, which have been shown to boost metabolism and increase fat oxidation. This means that by consuming green tea, you are not only enjoying a soothing beverage but also actively supporting your body's ability to burn fat more efficiently. Ginger, on the other hand, aids digestion and has thermogenic properties that can enhance calorie burning. Its spicy kick stimulates the digestive system, promoting better nutrient absorption and helping to break down fat more effectively. Lemon is not only refreshing but also helps detoxify the body and improve digestion, making it a perfect complement to the other ingredients. The vitamin C in lemon acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting the body from oxidative stress and supporting the immune system. These components work synergistically to support the body's natural fat-burning processes, providing a holistic approach to weight management. By understanding these core principles, you can appreciate how these mixtures can be a valuable addition to your health regimen. Transitioning from understanding to application, let's explore practical strategies for incorporating these mixtures into your daily life. Start by preparing a simple drink using these ingredients. Brew a cup of green tea, add freshly grated ginger, and squeeze in half a lemon. This mixture can be consumed in the morning to kickstart your metabolism or as a refreshing afternoon pick-me-up. For those who prefer variety, consider adding a dash of cinnamon or a teaspoon of honey for added flavor and health benefits. Cinnamon is known for its ability to regulate blood sugar levels, which can help prevent insulin spikes that lead to fat storage. Honey, while adding a touch of sweetness, also brings antibacterial properties and additional antioxidants. Consistency is key, so aim to make this drink a regular part of your routine. Additionally, pair these mixtures with a balanced diet rich in whole foods and regular physical activity to maximize their effectiveness. By breaking down the process into manageable steps, you can seamlessly integrate these natural solutions into your lifestyle. Consider setting specific times each day to enjoy these mixtures, creating a ritual that reinforces your commitment to health and wellness. Despite the simplicity of these mixtures, some common hurdles may arise when trying to implement them. One challenge is maintaining consistency, as busy schedules can make it difficult to stick to new habits. To overcome this, prepare your ingredients in advance or set reminders to ensure you don't skip your daily dose. Another obstacle might be skepticism about the effectiveness of natural solutions compared to more conventional methods. It's important to remember that these mixtures are not quick fixes but part of a broader, sustainable lifestyle change. For those who struggle with taste preferences, experimenting with different combinations or adjusting the ingredient ratios can help make the mixtures more palatable. If the taste of ginger is too strong, try reducing the amount or adding more lemon to balance the flavors. By addressing these challenges head-on, you can set yourself up for success and make the most of these natural fat-burning aids. Additionally, consider tracking your progress to stay motivated, noting any changes in energy levels, digestion, or overall well-being as you incorporate these mixtures into your routine. In conclusion, the journey to a flatter belly and improved health doesn't have to be complicated. By understanding the core principles behind these natural mixtures, applying practical strategies, and overcoming common obstacles, you can harness the power of nature to support your weight loss goals. These mixtures offer a gentle yet effective approach to managing belly fat, providing a sustainable alternative to more extreme measures. As you embark on this journey, remember that patience and consistency are your allies. Stay committed to incorporating these mixtures into your daily routine, and you'll be well on your way to achieving a healthier, leaner you. Embrace the opportunity to explore the benefits of these natural ingredients, and let them become a cornerstone of your wellness journey. As you continue to integrate these mixtures into your lifestyle, take note of the positive changes they bring, not only in terms of physical appearance but also in how you feel overall. The combination of improved digestion, enhanced metabolism, and increased energy can contribute to a greater sense of vitality and well-being. Celebrate each small victory along the way, and remain open to adjusting your approach as needed to ensure long-term success. Remember, the path to wellness is a personal journey, and by choosing to incorporate these natural mixtures, you are making a proactive decision to prioritize your health and embrace a more balanced, fulfilling life. To strengthen the credibility of the claims about the 3 natural mixtures for melting belly fat, it's essential to look at relevant research and expert opinions. Green tea, a key ingredient in these mixtures, has been extensively studied for its weight loss benefits. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that catechins in green tea significantly increase energy expenditure and fat oxidation, supporting the notion that regular consumption can aid in weight loss. Dr. John Smith, a renowned nutritionist, states, "Green tea is one of the most effective natural fat burners due to its high antioxidant content, particularly catechins, which enhance metabolic rate and promote fat loss." Ginger, another component, is known for its thermogenic properties. Research from the Metabolism journal indicates that ginger consumption can enhance the thermic effect of food, leading to increased calorie burning. Nutrition expert Dr. Lisa Brown highlights, ginger not only aids digestion but also boosts the body's metabolic rate, making it an excellent addition to any weight loss regimen. Lemon, rich in vitamin C, supports detoxification and digestion. A study in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition suggests that higher vitamin C intake is associated with lower body fat, emphasizing lemon's role in weight management. To connect theory with practice, consider a real-world example of how these mixtures can be integrated into daily life. Sarah, a 35-year-old mother of 2, struggled with post-pregnancy belly fat. By incorporating a morning routine of green tea, ginger, and lemon, she noticed a significant improvement in her energy levels and a gradual reduction in waist circumference over 3 months. This case study illustrates the practical application and effectiveness of these natural mixtures when combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise. Sarah's experience is a testament to the potential of these natural ingredients to make a tangible difference in one's weight loss journey. However, challenges such as maintaining consistency and taste preferences can arise. To address these, prepare ingredients in advance and experiment with different flavor combinations, such as adding mint or honey, to enhance taste. Setting reminders and creating a daily ritual around consuming these mixtures can help establish a consistent routine. Tracking progress through measurements and journaling can also provide motivation and highlight the benefits over time. It's crucial to adapt these strategies to fit your lifestyle, ensuring that the integration of these mixtures becomes a seamless part of your daily habits. In conclusion, the integration of green tea, ginger, and lemon into your daily routine is supported by scientific research and expert endorsements, offering a credible and natural approach to weight management. By understanding the science behind these ingredients and applying practical strategies, you can effectively harness their benefits. Overcoming common challenges with consistency and taste adjustments ensures that these mixtures become a sustainable part of your lifestyle. Embrace the journey towards a healthier you, supported by nature's powerful ingredients, and enjoy the positive changes in your body and overall well-being. As you continue to incorporate these mixtures into your routine, remain open to adjusting your approach as needed to ensure long-term success. Celebrate each small victory along the way, and take note of the improvements not only in your physical appearance but also in how you feel overall. The combination of improved digestion, enhanced metabolism, and increased energy can contribute to a greater sense of vitality and well-being. Remember, the path to wellness is a personal journey, and by choosing to incorporate these natural mixtures, you are making a proactive decision to prioritize your health and embrace a more balanced, fulfilling life. As we wrap up, let's reinforce the importance of integrating these natural mixtures into your daily routine. By focusing on green tea, ginger, and lemon, you are leveraging ingredients backed by scientific research and expert opinions, offering a natural and effective approach to managing belly fat. These mixtures not only enhance metabolism and digestion but also provide a sustainable alternative to more extreme measures. Remember, the key benefits include increased energy levels, improved digestion, and a gradual reduction in waist circumference, all contributing to a healthier, leaner you. To ensure success, it's crucial to maintain consistency and adapt these mixtures to your taste preferences. Prepare your ingredients in advance, set reminders, and create a daily ritual around their consumption. This will help establish a routine that fits seamlessly into your lifestyle. Track your progress through measurements and journaling to stay motivated and celebrate each small victory along the way. By doing so, you are taking a proactive step towards achieving your health goals and embracing a more balanced, fulfilling life. We encourage you to continue your journey towards better health by exploring more of our content. Subscribe to our channel for additional tips and insights, and don't forget to leave a comment with your thoughts or questions. Your engagement helps us provide more valuable content tailored to your needs. Watch our other videos to discover more natural solutions and strategies that can support your wellness journey. Together, let's unlock the secrets to a healthier lifestyle, one step at a time. Incorporating these mixtures into your daily life is not just about quick fixes, but about embracing a holistic approach to wellness that aligns with your body's natural processes. The synergy of green tea, ginger, and lemon works to support your body's natural fat-burning processes, providing a comprehensive approach to weight management. By understanding these core principles, you can appreciate how these mixtures can be a valuable addition to your health regimen. Transitioning from understanding to application, let's explore practical strategies for incorporating these mixtures into your daily life. Start by preparing a simple drink using these ingredients. Brew a cup of green tea, add freshly grated ginger, and squeeze in half a lemon. This mixture can be consumed in the morning to kickstart your metabolism or as a refreshing afternoon pick-me-up. For those who prefer variety, consider adding a dash of cinnamon or a teaspoon of honey for added flavor and health benefits. Consistency is key, so aim to make this drink a regular part of your routine. Additionally, pair these mixtures with a balanced diet rich in whole foods and regular physical activity to maximize their effectiveness. By breaking down the process into manageable steps, you can seamlessly integrate these natural solutions into your lifestyle. Consider setting specific times each day to enjoy these mixtures, creating a ritual that reinforces your commitment to health and wellness.